back at checkpoint 3, guys. Yeah, yeah, thanks to the help of my cousin. Say hello.
No,
Say hello.
good.
Loud.
No.
Say it. Alright, well, we're gonna head over to checkpoint 4 now. Whee! Man. Yeah, we ran over a truck and it fell off the edge. Alright, this is where we died last time. Yeah, we found out that I had gone to the start because I pressed the restart button, the deadly restart button in the corner of my screen. Oh, giant hole. What? You have died. No, I haven't. Times, be careful. That's the latest person that died. Wait, what? Oh. No, no. This is where we died last time. Be patient, alright? Someone will eventually be a pain and push us off. I guess we'll take them with us. Knock, knock. There's 5 checkpoints, right? Or 6. Check. And they're all being pains. That was close. That was close. They're gonna get themselves killed. So I mean, we can. The other one. Yep, that's what we're doing. Nice and slow. It would be much more dangerous if I was driving without a I am a good driver. I'm a good driver. No. Giant rock. Mwah. Giant rock. It's giant Dwayne Johnson. We are deadly Indian truck driving. We got this random dude. We got me. I got the rizziest jacket, man. Got the rizziest jacket, yeah. And this guy literally has snakes on him, or is a Chinese dragon. Ooh, gold mine up ahead. Oh. Could have been the Krusty Krab. Krusty Krab. Welcome to the musty crub. There's no crab? Lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob SquarePants. Be economy, bro. Be careful.
Oh, what's stopping me now?
Hmm? Oh, giant Tino.
Happening all the time.
Me and Brandon talk about lots of Tinos. Even weird ones, bro. We talk about lots of Tinos. What's stopping us?
I don't know. I can't see.
Try and turn. What? What is stuck? There's obviously something stuck. We are.
Can you jump out and see?
No, actually, it hasn't given me the option to jump out.
I can't move back. Why could I move forward before and now I can't? Are you in?
I'm still in. I can't jump out though for some reason. Oh, even more tunnels.
Oh, if you said choose your own channel.
Me and Brandon talk about tunnels. Which one? Oh, I guess it's just the luck of the draw. It'll be great if we chose the right tunnel. It'll be very annoying if there's like a monster behind us or something.
Oh yeah, this tunnel is so
Annoying?
yes. Because like what the hell? Why can I not move?
You gotta turn, it's very crowded.
I hate this game. It's like some inputs work, but like some don't somehow.
Yes, wait, I think we chose the right path.
Don't know what would have happened if we chose the right one.
Yeah, chose the other one.
What? Move my camera on us. Okay, we can go here.
This is gonna be dangerous, bro.
Oh, that's cool.
Mm. Now I see why people do this. Oof. Oof. Almost fell. Actually, no, we can't fall.
How are we not on the fourth checkpoint?
Fourth checkpoint, bro. We just left the third one.
No, we didn't. We did not just leave it. Small dots. That can't move back or forth. There we go. For walking. Come on. Yes.
You just hold it, alright? Hold the forward.
Can't, because otherwise it won't work.
Okay.
Because I need to get that walking, the swinging sensation.
Man, this is literally the Grand Canyon. We might be able to get this game done in like 3 episodes.
Screw it, well, so it doesn't get any harder. What are you stuck on there? What are you stuck on? I can't turn. Like, I'll fall off the edge if I turn. What do you mean?
That was dangerous.
Mm-hmm. Go.
Oh, Snack break. That came at the right time. You better crash out.
Oh, there's no just someone wrong.
Ooh-ha.
Mm-hmm.
Also, guys, I know I'm late to the new Block Fruits update. I am so sorry. I will make a video on it, I promise. Alright? I promise. It's okay. I've played for it, alright? I'm not missing out on anything, alright? I'm sorry, guys. I will play through it, alright? Please, please, promise me, alright? Promise you guys, I will play, alright? Alright? I'm sorry, man, alright? Alright? I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, I see it.
Go away, there's the fourth checkpoint. We might get this game done in like 2 episodes maybe. Oh no.
Can't move it.
No way this is happening right now.
No. No. I'm never playing this game again.
No way. There's literally no way. I got that on recording, man. I got that on recording.
I'm never playing this again.
Here we are. We're gonna get this game finished. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna record. I'm gonna finish recording right now so that you guys don't have to see and crash out. Yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.